Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
You just put a call in, got what appears to be a vehicle broken down in the turn lane on South Church just before Huffman Mill Road. Doesn't look causing any traffic issues at this point. It's hooded up, nobody's around it. Paul Davis, Frank, T24 PDF, Black Alley 3 times. 420 is 1042. Person, 2024 Sex Paul Beth Plant Church Road, 2024 Sex Beth Church Road, Hill Street Hall Village Drive, Jordan Village Trail, EMS responder from base.
Okay, we're 34 on scene, 306 command at 1820.
I'm 10-8 from the jail. I'll be 10-17 to that 10-50 at the 154. You can assign it to me. 10-4-5-5-3 goes back today. 333, go ahead, mileage. Charlie 1 sick person, Cedar Ridge Retirement, 2680 South Memphis Street, 2680 South Memphis Street, Cross Street, Alamance Road, Thanksbury Drive, Department 313, 313, EMS West Side.
Alright, 2680 South Memphis Street, 2680 South Memphis Street, Cross Street, Alamance Road, and Thanksbury Drive, Apartment 313, 26 Charlie 1 sick call, utilize factory.
H35 router, see.
Yeah, boy. See on the S53.
Go ahead.
So we're just 1014. We got fire EMS en route to 2024 Saxon Hall, Bethlehem Church Road, 2024 Saxon Hall, Bethlehem Church Road, Cross Street Hall Village Drive, and Jordan Village Trail. Who advised that their wife drank hand sanitizer and is now throwing up.
10-4. Myself will be en route.
Copy. S225C common, 23 temporary hello locate. Copy. Video 2223 Maple Avenue between Brownlee Street and Hopkins Street. Vicious conditions. Callers advising that there's a convicted male in the store. No weapons at this time. We're still trying to get further from the caller.
Street on 1133 en route Industrial Drive.
1133 simple.
Probably I'm going to take right. It's an
285 complaint in Wyatt Road near Ray Clark Mobile Home Park. We were still dirt bikes back and forth in there. Authorities, 1824 Cameron.
111, can you come back over here?
First 285 northbound, 155 mile marker.
D5 is really good.
1082, 85 northbound, 155 mile marker, flat Kia Sportage, unknown issues, race shoulder, following my party direct. Both services we sent MDT. But
10-4, you can't let them know if you extended ETA.
10-4.
Medic 30, Elements Rescue, Medic 2, Station 4, 10 Delta 2, Chastain, 2483 Anderson Road, 2483 Anderson Road, Cross Street, Green Valley Boulevard, Evergreen Avenue, EMS Eastside.
Fifty-four. Number 2 lanes, 1053. 2 and 3 lanes, 253.
711 Temple.
Connect item.
10-4.
Chicago 33 on scene, Industrial Drive.
33, 10-4.
Responding normally, not breathing normally. Patient does have difficulty speaking between breaths. Also claiming no history of heart attack or angina. Has taken blood pressure meds past 12 hours. Patient also feels a lot of pressure on her chest.
Good. Good.
700.
Sure.
563 off.
563, good.
You can contact maybe fire, see if they can come out here, assist with traffic control. Lanes 3, 2, and 1 are 10th Street.
Yo.
S228 Seacon will be 10 for escape. Copy.
Hopefully 44 ops. What's the
I got 2 unserved out of Alamance, reference misdemeanor probation violation and misdemeanor probation violation out of county for that 27.
1072.
And copy 1072 at 6:30. Engine 43 on scene.
43 10. Cross Street, Cedar Avenue, North Memphis Street, EMS from Nissan. Well, conscious and breathing, caller is having bad leg cramps due to low sodium levels. He is responding normally, not breathing normally, no bleeding or vomiting blood. He is having leg pain.
Reference to a traffic accident. 95.
For myself, and she is on something. If there's any other vehicle, sorry, there's the other vehicle on the other side of the road, on the shoulder and out of the way.
That's a reference to the 10-7 vehicle. They're asking for help on the westbound lanes with the traffic accident at the 154.
Yes, ma'am. We're at the 154 now. We'll assist them.
We took over the other vehicle from our side, and we'll take their on the shoulder. They'll be 10-4. You can clear us from that. We'll be out with Highway Patrol now.
Deadborn, you said yourself in which unit?
260, he's riding with me. He's primary.
Deadborn, thank you.
220, being route officer.
220, 10-4.
I want that bypass where you coming from.
And Washington. I was going to get on the Buckhorn and head back that way.